Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Discovery Sport, 2015 Discovery Sport. So from any screen you've got settings over here. If you click on settings you've got Bluetooth here, or if you click on phone and there's nothing connected, you see here no phone connected, connect a device now. Well, you don't want to connect a phone, so the tendency would be to click no, but what you have to do is click yes, and then you get this new menu: Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's what we want, list of paired devices. And as you can see here, there's quite a few phones in here, so you just select one, delete pairing, yes, select another, delete pairing, yes, and there's mine. I want to delete that, delete pairing, yes. So that's it gone, easy as that.